Freeze! Back up!
I was here to destroy fun with the bugs.
No! You back up now! We are protecting fun with the bugs!
You have 3 seconds to move before I fire. 3, 2, 1.
What's that, Bugs?
I don't know.
Get out! Welcome to Fun with the Bugs. Today we got the SGILE Mini RC Tank coming up.
After this. It's Fun with the Bugs.
Buggity, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bugs. What up? Today we got the SGILE Mini RC Tank. We want to thank SGILE for sending us this tank to check out. We have a link in the description below how you can order this Mini RC Tank. Bugs, we were attacked by the mini tank. What up with that? What up with that? What up with that? This is the box that it comes in. What up with that? This is the box that it comes in. And you can check it out. And there's the back of the box. Tells you all the different things this truck can do.
There's 2 greens and 2 blues. That's really weird.
Yep.
They're different.
It comes in greens, it comes in blues. We are gonna take it out of the box. We are gonna take a look at it. We are gonna play with it. We are gonna make sure, maybe we will make sure it has no bullets in the cannon so we can safely drive this thing around town. How's that sound, kid?
Good.
All right, so let's take it out of the box and see what we got. All right, so we got the tank out of the box. Here is the tank, nice and detailed.
It has an army in it.
The gun on it does move around. It moves up and down, in and out. You've got the tracks on the bottom. Has a little man in there. He does not come out. He's just hanging out there. And he's gonna be the driver of our RC tank. Let's take a look at the remote.
And he's gonna shoot.
On the remote, you have up, down. You have sounds. This is for the gun barrel. On this side, you have left, right, and then it has adjustments so your tank can drive straight. If it veers off one side, you can adjust it right there. So there's an on-off button. The tank itself is rechargeable. So you have your recharger right in the side there. It goes right into the bottom of the tank. The remote control itself takes AA batteries. Let's turn it on, see what we got. Let's check it out. Let's hear the sounds. So you can hear the sound of the tank, like it's a running tank, pretty cool. And if we move the gun barrel, also makes a sound. And then we can hit this button right here and it'll shoot bullets. Up, back, left, right, circle, back.
It makes noises.
It does make noises. You can also shut the sound off if you don't want the sound by holding these 2 buttons down. We're gonna take this car for a little drive. Then we're gonna come back. We're gonna tell you what we think about it. Bugs, we are back. That was a fun time. We even brought back some of our friends to hang out with us. So, what do you think of the Mini RC tank, Bugs?
Awesome.
Lots of fun. The car was really easy to steer, right? Really easy to drive. You know, very simple controls, front, back, left, right. You can do spins, move the gun, sounds, no sounds. So it's really cool. You can, you know, play with them with your little army figures. You can play with them with your superheroes. So I think we're gonna play with them with our superheroes, right?
Wait, the army can go in there.
Awesome. So once again, we want to thank SGILE for sending us this RC tank. A link in the description below how you can order it. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you thought of this tank. Please give us a thumbs up for this video. And do not forget to subscribe to more Fun with the Bugs awesome videos. There's going to be a link that you can click on right over here that will take you right to the subscribe button. Very easy, very simple. As we always say at Fun with the Bugs, we say something new every time now. So what do, let me guess what you're gonna say.
Army
You're gonna
out.
say Chicken Little out.
Army out.
Army out!